Welcome everyone, here's how you open up the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 screen. So if you want to do this with one hand, here's my trick. So the first step is get your thumb here, you just want to nudge it between these two displays. Nudge it a little bit until the thumb is completely under the top part here. And then once you're here, you're just going to flick back, okay? And you need to do this in a quick motion. It needs to be quite sharp, otherwise the display won't fully open. So let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. And I failed it. One more time. Boom. The display will open. So you get used to this, right? Sometimes it does take multiple attempts to open up. There'll be a point where you can just open it up first try with one hand. Now with two hands, you just want to have one hand gripping the Z Flip 4, other hand just grips the top part with the thumb. You pull up, boom, and you're good to go. Now with Z Flip 4, they actually made it harder to close the screen. Don't ask why, I don't know. May just have a defective unit, but when you're closing, start off with using your index finger to push the display down, and you can technically push it all the way down with the index finger. With the Z Flip 3 it was a lot easier, so what I recommend you do is push down with the index. Once it gets a little bit tough, push down with the thumb. Don't push down like at the very top here, like push further down, because if you push at the top it has a lot more resistance, and then just like that you have closed your Z Flip 4. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.